Hi all, today I'm here again to teach you a very nice landscape. Okay, so first for this picture again we need oil pastel, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and if you want you can do painting even. So first you hold the book vertical, okay, and then at the middle of the page, like little bit up above the middle of the page, like draw like this, and then okay, and okay, from here we will draw some like rock kind of thing, some rocks which like slowly it will become like small. Okay, so this is a picture as of now. I think everyone will be able to draw this one, and especially above grade 3 students, they for them it must be easy. So now we will start coloring and after coloring it will look more interesting. So for the coloring I'm using white, orange, yellow and red. I'm using 24 shades of oil pastel, and here for the sun I'm making sunset, or you can say sunrise also. First white and then yellow, after then orange, so after finish the red, you can blend with the like color only like this, smudge with the color, or you can blend with tissue paper also. So I'm using a tissue paper, just fold it and then just rub it nicely. So I don't prefer to do with the tissue paper for blending. If you want to enhance your skill, you should learn how to blend with the colors. And then again here mountain, so half of the mountain I'm doing with the brown color, and another half with the light brown color. So this thing is done. Now for the far bushes we can use dark blue, dark blue has to merge with the dark green, and then again light green on top. You can use yellow also again on top of it, like this yellow I'm using. Okay, Now this is the land, that open field. First I'm using lemon yellow, and then just some light green strokes on it. Make sure that lemon yellow also should be visible. Just little bit greenish it has to look. And then dark green for some shading effect. Now here with the dark blue we can create some grass effect. Now the land also done. Okay, now we will start doing this stone. Okay, so stone black at the bottom. For each stones individually we have to do. So black at the bottom, and then gray. The gray also has to mix with the black. The gray has to mix with the black, so like this, and then on top of it we can do white. So now the stone is done. Now we have to do light blue, like sleeping strokes from right to left, left to right here, and here right to left. Like this strokes you have to give. Achha, first light blue I have done. Now I am giving shading with the dark blue. Only for the edges we can give dark blue, but make sure that your strokes has to be extremely sleeping strokes. If it is little bit slanting, it will not look good. This is water, so this is water. So now for the reflection I'm using yellow on it, and some orange also I'm using, and dark blue for this edges again. Some black. So layer of color you have to do here. First I did light blue, and then medium blue, then dark blue, some yellow, some orange, and now I'm doing with the black color. Now some red also to show the sunset reflection on the water. Okay, So now this picture is done. Here we'll do some trees. So when you're drawing the tree, make sure that the branches should look like Y. And it has to have many branches to give nice effect. So I'm doing many more trees, some nearby, some little far. Okay, so I'm done with many branches now. And some more trees. Okay, so now this is how we can do. And after finish the tree, you can add some white effect on it, on this, with white color or like white paint. Okay, so this is the final product, final picture I have made. So now you can try it. All the best, and I hope you enjoyed. Please for like this video and tutorial video. If you want, you can please subscribe my channel and like my channel, please. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video.